old phone.
Hi, we're here with the boys. Do your expression for us, Sam.
Well, right now in Fiji, oh my goodness, I can't believe what's going on over there. First they kick me out. Yes, they kick me out of my homeland. First they say my lease or something, it's vanished, vapors into the air, and Fijians, bloody cannibals. I can't believe this crap. I can't even do it. I have no job, oh my goodness, I can't believe it. Everything is torn into pieces, the saturation, the evaporation. Goodness,
The governmentation.
The governmentation. What's going on with the government these days? I can't believe it.